This tutorial review will show you how to add thumbnail in Facebook video. First of all, let's add a video. Once the video added, click on Edit. Click on Change Thumbnail. You will get three options here. You can choose a suggested thumbnail from here. You can choose a thumbnail from the video. You can upload a thumbnail from your computer. So I'm going to uploading a thumbnail. Selecting a dummy photo for thumbnail. Click on Save. And that's how we can add thumbnail in Facebook video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.